Did you know there are 3 major types of diabetes? Type 2 diabetes is the most common, followed by type 1 diabetes. Gestational diabetes occurs during pregnancy and is typically temporary. Additionally, prediabetes signals an increased risk of developing diabetes in the future. In this video, we'll explore the best and worst fruits for people with diabetes and share tips to make smart fruit choices. There's a common misconception that people with diabetes need to avoid all fruit. But that's not true. While fruit does contain natural sugars, having diabetes doesn't mean cutting out fruit entirely. It's all about making better choices regarding what fruits to eat and how much to consume. Fruits are packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals your body needs. Even if you have diabetes, fruits can still be part of a healthy diet. What makes a fruit better or worse for diabetes? The key difference between better and worse fruits lies in their natural sugar content. Some fruits are higher in sugar and may impact blood sugar levels more significantly. Here are fruits with higher natural sugar content that people with diabetes should not eat or eat in moderation. Mango, banana, papaya, pineapple, watermelon. What are the best fruits for people with diabetes? It's recommended to have 2 to 3 servings of fruit daily, and this applies to people with diabetes, too. Pairing fruit with a source of protein or healthy fat can help you feel fuller and manage portion control. The best fruits for diabetes are berries. Both citrus fruits and berries are recognized as superfoods by the American Diabetes Association. Cherries, plums, grapefruit, peaches, apples. High-fiber fruits like apples and pears help slow blood sugar spikes. Pears, kiwi, oranges. These fruits are lower in sugar but still provide essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Final tips. Always consult your doctor or a registered dietitian to create a diet plan that works for your specific needs. Managing diabetes doesn't mean you can't enjoy fruit. It's all about balance, portion size, and making informed choices.